Okay, any other question? Also, you check which one you feel you want to practice more, which one? Or you feel difficult? Fine? 有没有问题 Which one? Okay. The last group, the last group, the first and the fourth tone. Okay, the first one 是真正 Yes, 真正 Yeah, 方面机器鞭炮 Yes, yes. Now, which city we live? Yes, seed. Now you know how to say correctly. Yes, Shenzhen. And we are in Nanshan district. Nanshan. And we are in Shekou. Yes. So correct 是深圳 Nanshan, Shekou. Yes, yes, yes. And we are in China. Yeah, 中国 Yes, 中国 Yes. Okay, any question? Okay.
Guangdong.
Okay. Yes. Now you can say correctly. 广东 Yes. So, when talk about address, so Chinese, we talk about address, we say from the orders from big to small. Opposite English. Okay, for example, now we are here, the address. English we say Shekou, Nanshan, Shenzhen, Guangdong, China. Okay, Guangdong is a province. Shenzhen belong to Guangdong. Yeah, that's English, right? Chinese completely opposite. So Chinese we from big to small. That's why we say 中国, Guangdong, Shenzhen, Nanshan, Shekou. Yes. When you buy something on Taobao, online, so need to add address. Chinese. So always we say Shenzhen, Nanshan, Shekou, and then your street name or your apartment name, right? Then the room. In the end, it's your room number, right? With English opposite. Yes. Okay. Any other question? Okay.
How do we know where to put the tone marks in pinyin? For example, like the.
Good question. Yes. Actually, so far you are the only student ask me, the first one.
No, I'm also thinking about it.
Okay. Good. Yes. So, did you see? Now first you take a look where I put. Then, can you see the rules? Now I don't tell. Can you find the rules? Which letter I put the tone?
When we combine two vowels, then where we put? This is also a question.
Yeah. So now you, based on this, you can find the rule actually.
the order of first row. Initial by the first, final in order of.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, some of you found already. Look. This one, I put here. Okay. Look. Da da da. So da da da. Now, this look all. So means the tones we put on these letters. And if have two, then should put which one? Yes. That's the rule. That's why, remember, the first class, I said, for finals, the most important is the first line, right? Actually, two reasons. One, because here, from here, right? Second, also because when we write the tone where, so we put on this. And the order, it's like this. For example, now, okay, you tell me where to put the tones, okay? Okay, now try. So this one, this one,
Last one. Yes. U. E.
Last
right? Very good. Yes. So
You follow the
order.
yes. So follow this order. A, W, E, I, U, Ü. Yeah, follow this order. If only single, easy. You just put this, right? It means you just put on the final. If there are two, then you follow this order. But there's one exception. Because pinyin, before we learn already have exception, right? About to put the tone also have one exception. For example, this one. Okay, this one, yeah, it's correct, put E. But this one, we put on U. Only this one is the exception, but doesn't matter. Because when you do HSK test or in the real life, you speak Chinese or only one exception doesn't matter. Be honest, not so important. Important 99% is follow this rule. Because this one I even tell you now, I'm sure later you will forget. Then also you will confused, so no need, okay? You just remember this, follow the order. 99%, there's 1%, it's fine. Okay, 好啦 Yes, good question. Okay, so now let's take a break.